Charleston State University. Didn't study anything related to construction, and got into this industry then, though. I was an engineering major when I started, changed majors after 3 years. So I got some experience in CAD and then in Revit, and then graduated and went to grad school at SMU, Southern Methodist in Dallas, and started working in the industry then as well, part-time, and at a place called Polk Mechanical, who had an Arlington office here at DFW. They're headquartered in Kosciuszko, Mississippi. And then when I graduated from SMU, a degree in U.S. history, had some great job opportunities in this side of the business in BBC, and took an opportunity at Polk, knowing they wanted to grow that department, and kind of came in, and it's been a great choice ever since. Fun game to be in, especially if you're doing things like technology, just because the construction technology needle's moving really fast, and the industry on the whole is, I would say, we're still pretty outdated as just an industry. So there's a lot of resources, a lot of people focused on how do we improve, how do we get better, and I think what I do in VDC just lives right in the middle of that, right? That's the future of what we do, and how we build it kind of lives in how we model it. So we're prototyping, we're perfecting how we're going to build it, we're planning how we're going to build it, and then how do we make that actually get executed? That's the biggest gap right now, is we can do so much cool stuff. How does that save us time and dollars in the field? So that's our big focus, is solving that. So Pinnacle's a help with that. And we'll do it, and my goal is to also a lap or just something. I just want to go out there. Left our Polk office and came out to a job site that's pretty close by. It's a 600,000 square foot project, start to finish. And when we inherited this job, all we had was workflow and Revit. We actually outsourced the process of modeling.